Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my FabFitFun box that I recently received. This is the summer box, and before I get into what's inside of the box, I do have to give you guys a little bit of a backstory. I've never joined any subscription program. I never joined any of those makeup box programs like Ipsy or BoxyCharm or any of those, but a few weeks ago some of my co-workers ordered the FabFitFun box, FabFitFun box, and it had arrived to the office, and I got a chance to see what was inside of it, and it had me shockingly intrigued. I've never cared for any of the subscription programs before, but when I saw what was inside of the box and what you can get, I was like, I'm here for it. So I decided to purchase my first ever box, and I got the summer box. And I know that they do one every season, and let me read to you more information about it from the website. How does the subscription work? It says, as a FabFitFun member, you'll get a box of fabulous finds in beauty, wellness, fashion, and fitness, handpicked by the FabFit team, delivered once per season. So 4 times a year, you'll get a seasonal box, and each box contains about $200 worth of products that is retailed, and each box ships March, June, September, and December. Right now we're in the summer FabFitFun box, so if you are interested, you can still purchase this summer box. And there's also another box that if you're interested in purchasing, it's called the Pinterest box, and it does have some other items in it that is separate from what's in the summer box. But before you can get the box, you do have to fill out the survey, and then once you fill out the survey, they will try to curtail the box to your specific needs. So ideally they'll be able to give you products that are more tailored to your style and what you're interested in. So there's a question on there that says, what if I sign up in between seasons? And it says, if you sign up in between seasons, you'll get the seasonal box that is currently shipping, or the editor's box. If you are interested in the summer box, you are still able to get it since we are still within the summer window. Each box retails for $49.99, and that's also the price for the Pinterest box or the editor's box. So whichever box you choose, it is $49.99. Now you can choose to pay that price seasonally, which is what I did, or you can pay the annual fee up front, which is $179.99. But with what I got so far, I'm really impressed, and I can't wait to see what the next season's box is. And the next season's box is fall, and I absolutely love the fall time, so I'm really excited to see what they are going to be offering for the fall box. In addition to you paying for the box, they do have add-ons that you can add on to your package. My coworker did purchase an add-on of this brush cleaner that I was really interested in, and that's the reason why I had signed up in the first place. By the time I purchased this box, that add-on was sold out. So it is one of those things that if you are interested in the add-ons, you have to get it right away, because it will sell out, especially with the cool add-ons that they have. I am sad that I didn't get the brush cleaner, but I'm hoping that they will have it again for the next release, or they'll have something cooler. So I cannot wait for that. And I hope you guys enjoy these kinds of videos. Ever since I signed up for it, I have been enjoying watching them, because I like to see what other people have gotten in the past box, and I'm looking forward to what they are going to be releasing in the new boxes. So that's all the general information that I wanted to share with you guys about the FabFitFun boxes. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, so that way you're notified every time I upload a new video. So if you guys want to see what I got in my FabFitFun box, then definitely keep watching. The first thing that comes inside the box is this FabFitFun newsletter, and inside of it, it does include the prices of the products, as well as more information about the products that you received. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It is very detailed, and it tells you what the price is for each item, what the retail price is for this item. As I mentioned to you guys before, this box retails for about $200, and you're paying $50 for all the items that you're getting, and you're getting full-size products. On this page here, it does tell you what the different options that you get with your box. So within the first category, you can get the makeup train case, which retails for $58, or you can get the Summer and Rose beach towel, which retails for $55. And in my box, I got the Summer Rose beach towel. So this is it out of the packaging, and this is, ooh, this feels so soft, and this is what my towel looks like. It is really long. Oh yeah, I can't wait to use this on my beach trip. So they collaborated with Rocky Barnes to create this oversized beach towel that is made of microfiber so that the sand won't stick to it. So it is a pineapple beach towel and I am really liking it. Now to the next category, it is makeup, and this one is the Tarte Pro Glow palette, which retails for $45, or the Tarte Pro To Go palette and Sex Kitten liquid liner for $43. And what I received in my box was the Tarte Pro To Go palette and the Sex Kitten liquid liner. Now looking at these shades, I'm not sure how this will work on my skin tone, but I'm definitely willing to give it a try. The color Dominate as well as the color Boss look very, very pretty. So let me see. Ooh, okay. Wait a minute now. It does look pretty pigmented, so I might be able to use these colors. I will definitely play around with this and see how I like them. Moving on to the next section, you either get the option of the Orlando Pita Play Atmos-Shield Hair Protector Treatment Spray, which retails for $34, or the Elmis Papaya Enzyme Peel that retails for $45. So what came in my box is the hair protectant spray, and I'm definitely gonna be able to put this product to use since I do use a flat iron to keep my hair straight. And this heat protectant spray smells really, really good. So I'm excited about trying this out. So moving on to this section here, you either get the option of a face rejuvenator, which retails for $29, a loop resistant band, which retails for $15, or the minor history Postscript wallet, which retails for $20. And I got the mini wallet, and I'm definitely gonna be able to put this wallet to use. I'm going to use this to hold any of my gift cards or my insurance cards, just so that way I have them separate from my wallet. I do have a very small compact wallet that I keep in my purse, and I can't hold that many cards in there, and that's the reason why I got the compact wallet. So this is definitely gonna come in handy, and this is a very, very pretty summer color. It is a little bit flimsy, but I feel like it's durable. So moving on to this section here, you either get a Yo ring for $55, a black lava body caviar for $48, or a muscle gel for $39. And what I got is the ring that retails for $55. I'm not sure about all that. So this is what the ring looks like on me. It is very cute and dainty. I don't know if it retails for $55, but it is pretty cute, and it does fit very snugly on my fingers. I used to be a ring person, but I kind of faded out of that, so I'm not much of a ring person like I used to be. But this is really cute, and it's very dainty, and it doesn't feel like I have too much jewelry on. I really like it. And in the last section, all these items were included. So the first item is the Foreo Luna that retails for $89, and I got mine in the blue color. And this is what it looks like. It's so cute and so tiny. I do have this in a pink full-size version, so the fact that I got this in the blue version is pretty awesome. I do plan on traveling with this one, so that way I have one here at the house and one in my travel bag. It says that the Foreo is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna. So now I'm really excited about trying this new generation of the Luna and seeing how it curtails to my skin type. Moving on to the next item, which is the Cool Face Sport White Tea Moisturizer. This retails for $32, and I'm pretty happy that I got this in my box because I did actually run out of my sunscreen. So yeah, I'm really excited. It is an organic sunscreen, so I do like that it's organic, so I feel like I'm not putting crap on my face, because some of these sunscreen products, when you look at what is in them, just try and pronounce them makes it scary. So I'm glad that it doesn't have too many ingredients in there that I cannot pronounce. And then it says here that this comes with SPF 50 that doubles as a moisturizer. It's an 80-minute water resistant formula, and it's made of 70% organic ingredients, so you can splash, swim, and soak up the sun worry-free. I'm really curious to see if this will give me a white cast on my skin, but I'm really excited about trying it, especially now that we are in the summer months and it is hot and the sun is blazing. It does come out white, but we'll see how it appears on my skin. And the last item that I got in my box is the Pier 1 Imports Marble Ring Disc that retails for $14.99, and this is what it looks like. I do love the marble and gold contrast, so I'm definitely gonna keep this by my sink so I can put my jewelry pieces that I'm wearing for the day there, so that way I don't have to worry about misplacing them, because sometimes I put them somewhere and I don't remember where I put it. And now that I have this, I'm definitely gonna be able to keep track of my jewelry pieces. Also included in the box is this straw. It is from the Wildlife Conservatory Society, and inside the pamphlet it gives you more information about why the straw was included and what they're trying to do with these straws. So that's everything that I got in my FabFitFun box. I'm really excited about trying these new things, and I do like the fact that this box allows me to try different products without spending too much money on trying out the different products. If any of you guys are interested in trying out this FabFitFun box, I will have more information and links down below so that way you guys can check it out. That's everything that I wanted to share with you guys about the box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.